Hi everyone, Courtney here, and welcome back to the Addison Choate Test Kitchen. So we love two things here. We love nostalgia, we love nostalgic desserts, candy, anything that reminds us of childhood, and we also really love simplicity because, let's be real, we don't have a whole lot of time. And this recipe is kind of the perfect storm of both. So today we're going to make gourmet Rice Krispie Treats. So we're gonna amp this up a little bit. You do need Rice Krispies, marshmallows, and butter. But instead of your regular Land O'Lakes, I'd like you to try to find a nice European butter. It has a higher fat content, and we're gonna do something really special with it that will kick up your desserts and pretty much anything that you make going forward. And then I want you to invite vanilla bean to the party because this really kicks up anything that you're gonna make, including Rice Krispie Treats. So let's get started. The first step here is going to be to brown your butter. We're gonna drop this in this pan and we're gonna brown the butter until it's a nice nutmeg brown color. So you're gonna melt this over medium-low heat, a little bit lower if you're working on a gas range. Okay, once the butter's brown, you're gonna work fairly quickly to add your salt and your marshmallows to stop the browning process. Whoops. Come here, bud. You're gonna move this around pretty quickly. Make sure everything melts. Make sure your butter doesn't burn. It's gonna be on a low heat. So you're gonna mix this until your marshmallows are completely incorporated with your browned butter. All right, that's ready for snap, crackle, and pop, I think. So you're gonna take your Rice Krispies and you're gonna fold them into your marshmallow. I mean, if you were feeling cray, you could probably just eat this with a spoon, let's be real. Once this is incorporated, you're gonna transfer this to a 9x13 baking dish. Two things here. One, I would recommend glass because it will make it a little bit easier to get it out of the pan. But two, let's use the same parchment paper trick here where you grease your 9x13 pan, you line it with parchment paper, and then grease the parchment paper. Pack this down. Don't overpack it. So if you need to take a little bit of aggression out, you could definitely get your mitts in here, but I'm going to recommend that you use some parchment paper, lay it on top, and gently press. So you're going to take these and put them somewhere else where you're going to forget about them until they're completely cool, or at least room temperature. So once these have cooled, again, you should just be able to take your wax paper, lift them right out. So these are really great. Just keep these for yourself.
I believe in miracles. Where you from? You sexy thing, you. I believe in miracles since you came along.
And there you have it, gourmet Rice Krispie Treats. I'm just gonna take these over here now.